Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. Today we are going to learn how to check network speed and signal strength of wireless networks or access points that are available around you. First, open command prompt as administrator. Now type netsh show networks mode equals BSSID and hit enter. You get the overview of all the access points that are available and their corresponding strengths. Signals greater than 80% are good. Signals greater than 80% and smaller than 60% are normal. Signals smaller than 60% are poor. Here are the networks that are available. As you can see, my network is connected to Legends TP-Link. Now you can type netsh show interface to check signal strength and network speed of a connected network. Here you can see receiving speed is 58 megabits per second, and transmitting speed is 58 megabits per second. Signal strength is 99%, and SSID is Legends TP-Link. This is how you can check the signal strength of connected network and available networks around you. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.